Good morning, folks. Brian from Tank Masters here. Got an underground tank. Thinking about buying a home, selling your home? Check out this quick video. You can see the entire process start to finish. So on a 550 gallon underground tank, this is the equipment that we'll need to bring to your property. We've got one Mason dump truck with a 20-foot trailer, another Mason dump truck with the product inside of it. We will locate the tank, which is right here. Because it's under asphalt, we will get a demo saw and we'll cut a perfect square to try to minimize the damage to it. But first we'll get a metal detector to see exactly how this tank lies. It either starts here and goes 6 feet, or it starts here and goes 6 feet. We'll mark that out and then we'll begin to cut. The next thing we do is we want to stick the tank to determine if it's got any water in it and what the product level is. This is a water detecting paste that you just smear along the bottom. If any water hits it, it turns pink. Plus we get an idea of what the overburden is. In other words, how much cover is over the tank. A little spin, we'll pull it out. I'm going to say 1.5 inches of water. There you go. That's about 1.5 inches of water. If he turns it around, you can see it's got about 3 inches of product. Okay, so we set 3 ground protecting mats and then plastic over it. When I dig, the overburden is going to be approximately 5 tons. We're going to stockpile it here, so when I backblade it in, I'm not going to do any damage to the asphalt. Next step is tank is cut open, entered, cleaned. We scoop out all the residual sludge and muck and water. Ooh.
One of the ones where you give absolute no effort to it.
Yeah, right. Okay, Mike is finished now. That tank is completely dry, and now we are ready to remove it. I know, right? Corey's gonna blow all this stuff clean. We are putting the property back the way it was. All the wood was stacked back there. And then the grill was put over there. Corey's gonna blow all this off. Gonna pick up the mats. Reschedule to abandon that other tank in place. We're done here. It's a Friday. Everybody be safe. If you like what you saw, go ahead, don't be afraid. Click, subscribe, we got lots more. That's another fine job by Tank Masters Environmental.